Welcome back to Gearhead Reviews, the place where car enthusiasts get the real talk on the latest models hitting the roads. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on in-depth car reviews, test drives, and everything automotive. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most trusted and best-selling SUVs of all time. That's right, we're talking about the 2025 Honda CR-V. Let's see what Honda has done this time to keep the CR-V on top of its game. The CR-V has always been a favorite in the compact SUV segment, praised for its reliability, spacious interior, and efficient powertrains. But for 2025, Honda has gone a step further. We're looking at a vehicle that's evolved both inside and out, without losing its identity. The 2025 Honda CR-V isn't about radical change, it's about smart refinement. That's a theme we'll see throughout the design, performance, tech, and overall user experience. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 CR-V takes on a more rugged and confident look compared to its predecessors. The front grille is broader, bolder, and more upright, giving the SUV a stronger road presence. The new LED headlights are slimmer and sharper, seamlessly integrated into the front fascia. You'll notice more pronounced body lines along the side, and the wheel arches are now slightly squared off, enhancing the SUV's stance. It sits on either 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels depending on the trim, and overall, the CR-V looks more athletic and mature. At the rear, the familiar vertical taillights remain but have been updated with a more modern light signature. The rear hatch is wide and opens effortlessly, thanks to the hands-free power liftgate feature on higher trims. Honda has paid close attention to aerodynamic improvements too. You'll find subtle elements like active grille shutters and air curtains in the bumper that help reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. Under the hood, Honda continues to offer a choice between a turbocharged 1.5-liter inline-4 engine and a hybrid powertrain. The turbocharged engine produces around 190 horsepower and 179 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission that mimics gear changes quite well for a CVT. It's a solid performer for everyday driving, whether you're commuting, picking up groceries, or going on a weekend road trip. The real showstopper is the CR-V Hybrid, which is becoming more central to Honda's strategy moving forward. The hybrid system pairs a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine with two electric motors to deliver a combined output of about 204 horsepower. It's smooth, quiet, and efficient, with an EPA rating in the ballpark of 40 mpg combined depending on the trim and whether you go with front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Honda is clearly betting big on electrification, and the hybrid CR-V is proof that going green doesn't mean sacrificing performance or utility. Driving the 2025 CR-V feels balanced and refined. The steering is precise, and the suspension is tuned for comfort without making the ride feel mushy. Honda has increased the use of high-strength steel and added more structural rigidity to improve handling and reduce cabin noise. Road and wind noise are minimal, and you can really tell that Honda worked hard on NVH levels. The result is a smooth, composed ride that makes long drives a pleasure rather than a chore. Let's talk about the interior, which is where many buyers spend most of their time. Step inside the 2025 CR-V, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels upscale, functional, and thoughtfully designed. The dashboard layout is clean and uncluttered, inspired by the current Civic's interior design language. You get a mix of soft-touch materials, real stitching on higher trims, and a honeycomb-style air vent design that runs across the dashboard, adding a touch of visual flair. The 7-inch digital instrument cluster is standard, but higher trims get a larger 10.2-inch display with customizable layouts. At the center of the dash is a standard 7-inch touchscreen or an optional 9-inch infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Honda's infotainment software has been improved, and while it still isn't the most advanced system on the market, it's fast, responsive, and easy to use. You also get a physical volume knob, which a lot of people still appreciate. One of the standout features is the CR-V's cabin space. Honda has increased rear legroom, and the back seats now slide and recline for extra comfort. There's plenty of headroom and shoulder room in both rows, and even taller passengers will feel comfortable. The cargo space is among the best in the class, with over 39 cubic feet behind the second row and over 76 cubic feet with the seats folded down. The loading floor is low and wide, making it easy to load larger items like suitcases, strollers, or sports gear. Comfort features include dual-zone climate control, heated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, a power-adjustable driver's seat, and available ventilated seats and a heated steering wheel on the higher trims. The CR-V isn't trying to be a luxury SUV, but it offers enough comfort and convenience features to satisfy even picky buyers. When it comes to safety, Honda is all in. Every 2025 CR-V comes standard with Honda Sensing, the brand's suite of advanced driver assist technologies. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and road departure mitigation. New for 2025 is an improved traffic jam assist feature that works better in stop-and-go traffic. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system are available on higher trims. These features don't just check boxes, they actually work well in real-world driving and contribute to the CR-V's reputation as a family-friendly and safe vehicle. Trim levels are straightforward. You've got the LX, X, Sport, Sport L, and Sport Touring. The LX is well equipped with basic tech and safety features, while the X adds some key upgrades like heated seats and larger wheels. The Sport and Sport L trims are where the hybrid models begin, bringing more power and better fuel efficiency. The Sport Touring is the top-of-the-line model, offering a premium audio system, wireless phone charging, navigation, and all-wheel drive as standard. Pricing remains competitive, especially when you factor in the value proposition Honda is known for. The base model starts in the mid-$30,000 range, while the fully loaded Sport Touring Hybrid will cost closer to the low $40,000s. Considering the technology, safety, interior space, and reputation for reliability, the 2025 CR-V offers solid value for money. Another area where the CR-V shines is in its practicality. Whether it's the low cost of maintenance, great resale value, or the simple fact that it just works year after year, this SUV is built with the real world in mind. It's a vehicle you can count on to start every morning, handle your daily errands, carry your family safely, and even go off the beaten path when equipped with all-wheel drive. If you're someone who cares about the environment but isn't ready to jump to a fully electric vehicle yet, the CR-V Hybrid makes an excellent middle ground. It gives you great fuel economy, smooth driving, and fewer emissions without any need to plug in. Honda has found a smart balance between traditional and future-focused technology, making the CR-V a bridge between what people know and what's coming next. To sum it up, the 2025 Honda CR-V continues to deliver on everything that made it successful in the first place. It's safe, reliable, efficient, and now more stylish and refined than ever. Whether you're a small family, a solo commuter, or someone looking for a dependable daily driver, the CR-V deserves a spot on your shortlist. With Honda's attention to detail, the improved hybrid system, and a more modern look, this SUV is more than just a practical choice, it's a smart one. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2025 Honda CR-V. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone thinking about getting a new SUV. Drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about the new CR-V? Would you go with the hybrid or stick with the turbo engine? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching Gearhead Reviews. Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and keep your engines running.